So a slightly different video today. I'm going to leave in some bits that I'd normally remove from the uploads, such as this where I'm showing my takeoff point, which was in the little lay-by outside of the HS2 site. This is Steeple, Claydon and Twyford, so it's the construction of the new bridge. Been here before, showing the bridge being made, built even, but the road's now open, so folk come along, get a new updated video. So just launch the drone, hover for a second, and what you can't see on this point is me on the ground, crossing the road and getting a better viewpoint so I can see down to the furthest point where I'm hoping I can fly over the bridge and grab the video of the demolished bridge in the distance. So I've crossed the road, quick sweep with the drone and head off over the bridge. Now, I did come here on Friday. It was very windy, couldn't launch the drone, so returned on Saturday morning. Usual checks, drone assist, any cranes in operation. There is, as you can see, the crane is down. Wind levels were okay, so went for the video I'd hoped to record on Friday. So it was a very quick flight over the bridge, into the distance and back. So after a quick scan of the bridge, heading back. Now again, normally would crop this out. You can see me stood on the side of the road there. And unknown to me at the time, I was being approached from behind by an HS2 chap. He came over, asked if I was taking videos or photos. I said yes. Video on the site. Nothing illegal happening. And I'm done landing the drone as you're speaking to me. Only odd thing he said was, "Is that your car over there?" I said, "Is everything cool?" He said yes. And that was the end of it, really. So I thought nothing of it, landed the drone, walked back to my car where my children were sitting patiently waiting, as they've done a few times now, and went to drive home. You can see the drone there in the distance, the car in the distance even. Get in the car, put the drone away, and realise that the car you could see on the exit of the HS2 site is slowly driving past my car, and the driver's videoed me holding his body cam while driving. He's going so slow I was able to pull in front of him, jump out, ask him what's going on, why they're videoing me. They won't talk to me through the window, they won't wind the window down, just stand there holding the body cameras pointing at me. And I found this so bizarre. You know, my car reg is there, it's on the public road, it's, you know, it's nothing up my hiding, but it's very weird that they want to record a member of the public who is flying in open airspace, not breaching any laws, not breaking any laws, not interfering with their sight. So they've got body cam held there, chap in the passenger seat holding his body camera, recording everything on his tablet. Again, won't talk to me, won't open the window and explain what they're doing. Ask for their data controller to get a copy of the video, no answer. All very strange. So we stood in the road for a second with them not not speaking but recording it all very weird. Yeah, I haven't broken any laws, it's perfectly legal to fly in this area. So I did the obvious thing and went back to the car and parked up again and flew straight back over their site. Had a 2-second flight over, a couple of minute flight over even, landed, walked up to the gate, asked what was going on, and received an apology from another HS2 chap who said it's perfectly legal to fly here. So why are they intimidating us? Why do they not like the drones? You know, that if they had a no-fly zone, I wouldn't fly here. I've been flying over HS2 sites for 6 weeks now, 7 weeks. This is the first time this has happened. Very strange. They're trying to intimidate people. Why do they want to record regs of cars? You know, I wasn't on their site at all. It's just strange behaviour. I could understand if I was interfering, trying to get in their site or anything else, but the drone is in the air, 23 metres I think the whole video was filmed at. Just bizarre. But quick update video from Twyford, and we'll capture some more over the next week or so. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.